Exercise number 21. Number 1. I may be with you on Monday, the 4th of May. Full stop. Number 2. If you will be ready when I come, I shall be happy to take the ride with you to the show. Full stop. Number 3. I think you will enjoy the ride and you may take a fair share of the game. Full stop. Number 4. How do you like the new book? Question mark. Number 5. I think you were right to come away when you were feeling weary. Full stop. Number 6. I have had a talk with Webb and Duke, who were both at the party on Monday. Full stop. Number 7. I saw Booth today and he will be with us at the show. Full stop. Number 8. If you should know anybody who can share the work of the opera with us, I shall be happy to know. Full stop. Number 9. I have a new camera which I should like to show you when I see you. Full stop. Number 10. I shall be happy to see you tomorrow if you can come. Full stop.